Yes, be ready. Start. The plaintiff claimed to be owner of 4/5 share of suit land and claimed that defendant number 1 was owner of 1/5 share out of the suit land and defendant numbers 2 and 3 are the owners of 4/6 share each out of the suit land, and further defendants have no concern or interest in the suit land. Full stop. It was claimed that the plaintiff had gone abroad to Iraq and remained there for 5 to 6 years. Full stop. The plaintiff claimed that he came to know about mutation number 1074 regarding the sale by the plaintiff in favor of Tara Singh, son of Dhula Singh, to the extent of half share, and Sajjan Singh, son of Inder Singh, remaining half share. Full stop. The mutation was claimed to be illegal, null and void on the plea that the plaintiff had not executed any sale deed in favor of Tara Singh and Sajjan Singh. Full stop. It was further pleaded that Varsha Singh, plaintiff, had not executed any power of attorney dated 8/6/1983 in favor of Chanan Singh, son of Meher Singh, defendant number 1, because the plaintiff was not in India and the power of attorney is the result of impersonation. Full stop. The plaintiff claimed that he has not thumb marked on any of attorney and therefore claimed that the sale deed dated 20 June 1983 is illegal, null and void. Full stop. It was further the case of the plaintiff that as the defendants had failed to admit the claim of the plaintiff, the suit was being filed. Full stop. Next stanza. The suit was contested by the appellant defendant, whereas defendant number 1, attorney of the plaintiff, who is the father of the plaintiff, chose not to appear and was proceeded ex parte. Full stop. The contesting defendant claimed that he was bona fide purchaser for consideration and therefore protected under section 41 of Transfer of Property Act. Full stop. It was further claimed that defendant number 4 has became owner by way of adverse possession, and further that the plaintiff was estoppel by his own act and conduct from filing the present suit, which was not within limitation. Full stop. The description of the defendants qua their names was also challenged. Full stop. On merit, it was claimed that the land measuring 18 canals in favor of Ganjan Singh for consideration of rupees 27,000 wide registered sale deed dated 17/12/1981, and Gajraj Singh also sold the land measuring 6 canals in favor of Ganjan Singh, defendant, for a consideration of rupees 9,000 wide registered sale deed dated 24/1/1983. Full stop. The plaintiff Varsha Singh sold land measuring 26 canals, 13 marlas, through his general power of attorney Chanan Singh in favor of Ganjan Singh and Tara Singh, son of Dhula Singh, for a consideration of rupees 23,000 wide registered sale deed dated 20th June 1983, and Tara Singh further sold the land measuring 6 canal, 12 marlas of Lakhbir Singh, full stop, Sukhbir Singh, son of Ganjan Singh, for rupees 33,500 wide registered sale deed dated 1/7/1991 full stop. Sattar Singh, Ganjan Singh sold land measuring 5 canals, 5 marlas through their father as attorney for a consideration of rupees 6,000 wide registered sale deed dated 31/7/1986 and therefore defendants claimed to be bona fide purchasers for consideration full stop. The other averments made in the plaint were also denied full stop. Defendant numbers 4, 10 and 11 also took similar pleas full stop. Similarly, defendant number 6 has also filed separate written statement claiming on the same lines full stop. Replication was filed full stop. On the pleadings of the parties, the following issues were framed full stop. When the plaintiff is co-sharer in the suit land and is entitled to joint possession of the suit property full stop. If so, its effect question mark. Whether the suit is bad for non-joinder of necessary parties full stop. Whether defendant number 2 has also sold measuring 18 canals in favor of Ganjan Singh wide registered sale deed for a sum of rupees 27,000 full stop. Issue numbers 2 to 6, 9 and 10 were not pressed full stop. The plaintiff also took a stand that there is no dispute regarding the above said issues and accordingly all these issues were decided against the plaintiff full stop. Issue numbers 7 and 8 were taken up together full stop. On appreciation of evidence and also keeping in view the fact that the plaintiff had failed to place on record any document showing his presence in Iraq during the year 1983 full stop over.